I love time and I love no time. It's an and proposition. We're going to talk on our trip about the fact that scientists argue, some argue, well, there is time. Obviously, there has to be time. And they look at the clock on the wall. Others argue that there is no time. It's totally made up. It's a measurement system. And it's not real. It has no real physics behind it. And guess what? Both of them are true. Shut up the debate. They're both true. They're absolutely both true. This is life in a new energy. And science is being turned on its head right now, and I'm loving it. I've always loved science, but not limited science. I've always loved the wide open science, things that are validated, but yet things that are contemplated outside of the box and later validated. It's all scientists really do is validate what already is. They're like accountants, nature's accountants. They're just validating what already is. They're validating your creations. That's all they're doing. Problem is they're validating just one little slice, one little perspective. But the beautiful thing right now with the changes of consciousness that we've had in these past, let's say past decade, is that science is being turned on its head, upside down, twisted. They're getting so frustrated. What's happening is that science is not being invalidated. Current contemporary science not being invalidated at all. It's actually being validated each and every day. The law of physics, the laws of things like gravity and light and in motion and everything else are actually being validated. And at the same time, a new reality is starting to appear that they don't understand because it's not in the context of current modern accepted science. While contemporary science, while contemporary validation will continue to remain intact, now comes a new reality. It doesn't invalidate gravity. It doesn't invalidate the natural laws of physics, and doesn't even necessarily invalidate Einstein's theory of relativity. It actually can enforce it. But what's happening now is the and of life. Suddenly, somebody's realizing, this is true over here, everything we read in the books, all the studying, it's true. And there's something else happening. This stays intact, yet this is happening, and this is happening. Quantum particles, quantum science is happening, but it doesn't invalidate this. It's not dependent on current science and physics either. It's completely of its own. Now, this really has them confused because they're used to one set of principles, one set of laws, and suddenly there are multiple laws and principles and concepts and theories and ideas and ways of living. It's the big and coming to you in this generation. The big and. There's more to life than what is seen through here, thought through here, heard through here. There's so much more. Whether you realize it or not, you're at the leading edge of it. That's why it's tough. That's why it's tough, because you don't really realize you're on the leading edge. You're like, no, I'm just going through my life solving little problems, creating new little problems. So how could I be a consciousness pioneer? Yes, get your PhD in consciousness the hard way. Backwards. Literally backwards. Because you're coming from a point of consciousness where you understand everything, coming back to a point where you understand very little, and now swinging the other way, going back to consciousness. So where was I?